Hey, what is up, everybody? Dalton here with Byrider Madison. I wanted to make a video for you for the month of November, just showcasing one of the vehicles we have on the lot at the moment. I'm actually going to show you the showroom floor vehicle. It is a 2018 Jeep Compass. As you can see, very nice vehicle with the white paint, the very nice wheels. Coming to the inside here, this vehicle, as you can tell, black leather interior, very nice touch display. And then also it is push start as well. Coming to the other thing, well, the back here, one thing I didn't just notice, does have the rain guards there as well. So if you want to open up the windows, get the fresh air in, even though it's raining. Very nice feature. Also coming to the back, obviously you see I got the trunk open. Very nice back, can lay the back seats down. And like I said, trunk's open right now. I just wanted to show you the feature. Right here on the side is the automatic tailgate. Don't worry about closing it yourself, let the car do it for you. Otherwise, other than that, that is our 2018 Jeep Compass. Very nice, very sharp car we have in the showroom. If this vehicle is something that you're interested in trying to get, definitely give me a call. I'll be more than interested in getting you into something. Give me a call, 608-663-1213. Dalton, Byrider Madison, always here to help. Talk to you later. Bye.